You're doing front end work like this, sometimes these ball joints can be a pain in the butt to get apart. So my dad taught me this neat, handy dandy little trick. I figured I'd share it with you. All you need is hammer and a little stubby flathead screwdriver that you don't really care about. All right, so after you got the bolt out, all you gotta do is in the little slot in between the two pieces of metal there, just stick your little stubby in there and just tap it in. You don't have to do it a lot, just a few taps is all you need. That should be enough. Yep, to help you get that right out. The other trick that he showed me was that if you can't get that down far enough, you can lift the suspension. You need your floor jack and something to protect your brake. Block of wood. So it's lined up just on your rotor. You just lift that nice and square underneath. And that helps to separate the two. It gives you a little bit of extra room. Come down with the jack, nice and gently. And get it the heck out of the way. There you go. With that, if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content. Hope to see you out there.